The future isn't coming, it's already here. Welcome to NextEdge AI Studio. Let's dive in.
Let me give you a quick update. Do you know that now you can make your own music video or produce your own music in the comfort of your home? You no longer have to pay for a music producer or a cinematographer to make a music video shoot for you. Now I'll be taking you through how I created this amazing music video and how I produce music from the comfort of my home. Firstly, let me play the music video for you. Then I'll take you through how I created this beautiful, stunning, creative music video.
Sun is hitting different when I'm walking by your side. No more shadows in the corner, nowhere left for us to hide. Every rhythm that I'm feeling is a song you put in me. Moving like the ocean, baby, you are all I see. Your eyes are like the morning, breaking through the gray. Every little thing you do is taking all my breath away. Oh, it's a golden feeling. Yeah, you're the one I need. Planting all the kindness, watching how the garden feeds. Celebrate the magic, celebrate the life we share. I can feel the heaven, girl, whenever you are there. Yeah, it's golden, golden, yeah. No one else can do it like you. Keep me on my toes. How the feeling started, honestly.
Yeah, so you can see how this is the second. So this is how I created my music video using Flow. Flow is one of Google's app. So I'll be taking you through how I created this music video. Firstly, I came to my ChatGPT to create my music lyrics. Then after I created the music lyrics here, this is a prompt I use. I'll be posting it on my Telegram channel. So I said create a 3-minute modern pop, Afro pop love song for a male artist named Easy Flow. The song should be catchy, emotional, romantic, and radio friendly. So this is a prompt. I would share it on my Telegram channel. Then I went ahead, after sending it, Google Flow went ahead. ChatGPT created the lyrics for me. This is the lyrics. You and me forever, artist Easy Flow, modern Afro pop, and this is the lyrics of the song. So after creating this, then I copied these lyrics. I copied everything. Copied the lyrics. And after copying it, I went to after copying the lyrics, then I went to copy the lyrics here. So after copying the lyrics, then I went ahead to Google Flow Music. So here is my Google Flow Music. Firstly, make sure you sign up so that you can have your work saved, so that you can, whenever you want to use it again, you can come to use it again. So this was my music. Then it said ask producer, so I copied the lyrics and I pasted it here. So after I pasted it here, then I click send message. I send the message, and I send the message. So after sending the message, it was pasted there, and this was my music. It will create 2 versions for you, so you can select anyone you like. This is the first version of the music.
Easy flow. Yeah. Rise up, no looking back. One more step. Many nights I know fit sleep. Dreams too big, road too steep. People talk, say make I stop.
So that's the first one, and the second one, this is the second one. So you can either,
But my spirit never drop. Every scar become my sign. Every loss prepare my time through the storm.
so this is the second music. This is the second one. So I have two music here. So you can pick. It will also create a video for you. This is a video it will create for you. So you can see.
Oh baby,
So this is what it generated
this
for
one
me
not forever
using the
love.
lyrics.
From the first day when I see your face,
So you can
girl,
see.
my heart begin to change its place. Every sunrise, every night, you they make my whole world bright. When the road rough and the rain they fall,
Now
you
feel
still
the
they
music,
stand
right?
beside me through it all. No be today, no be pretend. Now you I choose until the end. And if the stars don't shine tonight, I go still hold you tight.
So that was the music actually. So after creating the music here, so what I did was I'll still create the video in this same app. So what I did was I came to music video here, music video. So I came to music video, then this was the video is created. So before I play it again for you, let me take you through how I created it. So I came to the same procedure that I use in making the music. It's the same similar producer on the same app. So what I did was uploaded the music. This was the music. So I uploaded it. So you click agreed and uploaded the music. Locate your music. Locate your music from your folder, then click on it. If this is your music, for instance, you click on it, then you click open. So it would open, then it will come to this place. So then you click send here. After clicking send, it will generate the video for you. So you can see, but it will take you through some process to ask some of the things that you like to the way you like to produce your music and all of that. So after it has generated, to ask you to select the kind of image you want to use. It's either you can use the image it suggested for you, or you do what, upload your own image that you want to use for the video. So I uploaded this image. I'm using this image for the video, and then the next thing it did was to ask me a few questions again. Just click select the ones how you want your video to look like, the style and everything. So you can, even if you don't like the production of what it did for you or made for you, you can tweak it, make some little adjustments, and then it will go ahead again and ask you a few questions. Just work your way around it, how you want your video to look like, to keep on asking you questions if you are not okay with the video it produces for you. So just keep editing till you are satisfied with what it has done for you. So at the end of it all, this was my music video that it produced for me. You can see it's very simple, and
Sun is hitting different when I'm walking.
so you can see it's 1 minute, but the music I gave it that I uploaded was about 3 minutes video. This was due to the fact that this account is a free version, but if you have the premium version that you paid for, it will definitely produce the full music for you. So this is 1 minute video, you can see, and this was everything. This was the music I uploaded. It actually remixed my music while I was doing it. While it was prompting me to make it better, I actually remixed the music. So that was why you see that the lyrics is different. This was my picture that I used, and this was the style that I chose for me, that I selected. So you can see, you can make
By your side, no more shadows in the corner.
You can make a beautiful video and a professional one using this. But if you want to really enjoy it, you have to pay for it. You get, so it's quite simple to use. It would instruct you, just follow the instruction and you get the best of it. So this was how I created my music video. So please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, and also share so that others can see this video, and make sure you switch on your notification button so that you can always get more updates on how I create stunning videos like this. So, and also the prompts that I use, I will be sharing it on my Telegram channel. So the link for my Telegram channel will be in the comment section below. Just click and join my Telegram channel, and you always get more updates and prompts that I use. Thank you for staying tuned.
We have come to the end of this tutorial. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks.